later on, when you sit there as a witness, and it is in record, and you also have it's in your response, that is the time you can mention his name. Odinga is, at least is part of the witnesses that we are going to interrogate later on. So what I want you to do, focus on your charges. And then save time, because the way you're going, your counsel is unlikely to have any opportunity to have a preliminary submission. So you would have given him an opportunity, and then later on, because what you are saying, you'll have all your time to submit. So please, let's focus. Let's not make very wild allocations that are not what. Later on, we will interrogate you on that, please. Yes, Council.
Chairman, that unfortunately is the extent of the Deputy Governor's defense. In his defense and in his response, he states categorically that according to him, these issues started before the timeline that was set out in Mr. Willis Otieno's submission. Mr. Willis Otieno took all the time that he required to allege that my client is seated on a throne and nobody interrupted him. My client is merely giving context to his response, and whatever he's saying is in his response. And what he pleads for is an opportunity to use his 40 minutes and to make his opening statement. His truth is different from that of the county assembly, and I believe he's entitled to say.
Proceed.
Thank you very much, Chair. So I went and tried to inquire with Governor, and Governor said that he was not receiving the money. And he's my governor, so I did not put him under a lot of task. But I knew, Chair and committee, that since I had already brought it to his attention, if he was doing it, at least that was would act as a deterrent. So this continued to the month of December. I saw, again through Impressed, over 40 million withdrawn. And in Chair, in record 3 months between November to January, more than 100 million had been withdrawn through Impressed. I noticed